All right, it's time for the three big things you need to know. Let's get started on the economy. In light of a possible government shutdown that I don't think is going to happen, gold reaches record highs of $3,004, the biggest they've been, the highest it's ever been. And the S&P 500 takes a 10% correction, the largest correction in the last 2 years. Number two, there's a 99% chance that the Fed's going to drop the Fed rate by a quarter of a point in June. Remember, I don't like the Fed dropping the Fed rate. It hurts mortgage rates. And number three, buyers are now in control. So the inventory has exploded in the real estate market. We've got a lot more houses on the market, which puts sellers a little bit on their heels, not really horribly, but because we're still seeing multiple offers in many cases. But with the amount of inventory, that really just sheds light on buyers are being in more control. Sellers have got more competition. Interest rates are down a little bit, even though this week they popped up just a little bit more. I think we lost about 50 basis points on the bond market, but they really remained relatively flat for all intents and purposes. But the good news is buyers finally have an option. They finally are in control. You can get closing costs paid. You can get repairs made. You can get rate buy downs. If you're a seller, you're going to have to get realistic about your price. I don't see a crash happening, but I do see some corrections happening, and corrections are good. Housing has become unaffordable for a lot of people, so we needed some corrections. This is great news for buyers. Those are the three big things you need to know. Have a great weekend. If you know somebody that would like to subscribe to this, please let me know. Please click on the QR code and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Have a great weekend.